Unimpressed with the TV speaker's flat audio? Here's how to connect and set up a soundbar to your Vizio Smart TV via HDMI ARC. We will start the setup by first connecting the HDMI cable. Plug one end into the HDMI port of your soundbar. Then the other end will go into the HDMI ARC or eARC port of your Vizio TV. If you plug it into a different port, then the soundbar won't work, so make sure to double check. Now the second step will be connecting your soundbar to power. Just plug in the power cord and connect it to a power outlet. The third and final step will be checking whether it is set to the correct input mode. Your TV should automatically detect your soundbar and switch the output. In case it doesn't, or you want to switch the output, then just press the settings button on your remote, go down to all settings, then audio, and make sure the audio output is set to your soundbar. Also, it's recommended that you change the digital audio out from auto to digital. Now let's try toggling the volume, and you can see it says audio system. So now you're ready to enjoy high fidelity audio. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.